guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog guys, I will teach you on how to get a vaccination certificate online. So of course guys, if you want to have your own vaccination certificate na mayroong QR code at mga details, kailangan guys is fully vaccinated po kayo at mayroon po kayong vaccination card. So, the first thing to do guys is pumunta kayo sa Google or sa Chrome at i-search ang VAXCERT. Okay, let's try this first. VAXCERT, the doh.gov.ph. So, of course guys, you need to have an internet connection para po ma-load yung sinearch po ninyo at saka ma-upload po natin yung mga details na kailangan po natin to be able to generate your vaccination certificate. So, pasensya na guys, medyo mahina yung internet natin. So, ito po yung unang bubungad po sa inyo sa VAXCERT.PH. This is only to verify na kayo po ay fully vaccinated at hindi po fake ang inyong vaccination card. So first is the review data privacy. So were you vaccinated more than 48 hours? So nabakunahan na po ba daw kayo after 48 hours? Okay, click yes guys, kasi ibig sabihin nun after 48 hours na ang inyong bakuna, and click next. Then of course enter the details. Please enter your information. Ensure that they match the details on your vaccination card. Type your last name, first name, middle name, suffixes, kung junior ba kayo, senior. Okay, if none, just leave it blank, and of course your birth date. So after entering the details previously guys, enter your vaccination details. Only fill out the doses given in the Philippines. Please leave the fields for the other doses blank if you're only partially vaccinated. So kapag Johnson & Johnson po kayo, click this box. Okay. And if not, fill out the details that is as below. Where did you have your first dose vaccination? So dito guys, lalabas po yung municipality automatically. Okay, wait lang. So ito po. And next guys is date of your first dose, month, day, and year. And where did you have your second dose vaccination? Of course, select the municipality and second dose date. And for yung naka-booster na po, where did you have your additional dose vaccination? Select the municipality and date of additional dose kung kailan. And after filling out the details, click verify vaccination information, which is the green colored one. And after ko po ma-verify yung mga details po, lalabas po yung review, which is please review the details you entered and click the continue button if you wish to proceed. So these are my personal information and my details. So click daw po itong continue kapag tapos na po kayo, and go back kapag may mali po kayong nalagay. Okay, click continue kasi tama naman. Please enter the 7 characters below shown and type exactly what you see in the screen. Okay guys, click what is on the screen guys. After nyo pong malagay yung code na nandun po sa screen, lalabas po yung verification and record found po yung nakalagay kapag meron po kayong record, at kung wala naman po, no record found. At record found, if your details below are correct, click generate vaccination certificate. If there are incorrect details or no record is found for some doses, please submit an update record request below. Doses with no record indicate that your inputs did not match any database record, or that your vaccination LGU has yet to upload your vaccination record. So ito po yung lalabas po. May box po dito na nagsasabing please tick if you intend to use this certificate for travel purposes. Kung gagamitin nyo po ang VAXCERT for travel purposes, you may type your passport number kapag lalabas po kayo sa ibang bansa. Kapag hindi naman po, just leave it blank. If one of your records was not found or if you wish to update your details, click the button below. So, ito po yung paraan and how to update your record. So, just click the update record below kapag mayroon pong mga details na mali at mayroon pong details na nasa vaccination card nyo naman pero hindi po makikita rito. So, just click the update button below. So, sa akin lang, wala naman pong mali sa vaccination card ko. So, I will generate my vaccination certificate. Just click the green button and trying to render. Please wait. At ito na po yung Vax certificate. Congratulations, you have successfully generated your vaccination certificate. You can download or print or simply take a screenshot of your certificate's QR code. So, ito po yung lalabas, guys. Okay. And after that, guys, you can download your vaccination certificate with this blue button. So, lalabas po yung PDF file na mada-download po siya automatically sa mga gadget po ninyo. And guys, you can resize naman po your vaccination certificate. Just download it and convert it into JPEG and resize it para pwede siyang maging wallet size. As long as yung QR code is clear naman po at madaling ma-verify, pwede siyang i-wallet size po at maganda po kasi magaan po. So, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you help you with your concern regarding the VAXCERT. God bless.